everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know what? I made a prediction video to share with you guys, when Target's going to be hitting 70 to 90% off. My store just hit 70% off this afternoon. How did I know that? Well, you guys know the website Brickseek. I have showed you guys Brickseek like crazy. What I did is I just typed, I searched for something. So I just searched for large climbing Santa, decorative, whatever. I just did climbing Santa, and it took me on the Brickseek website. It took me to that. Then you just put your zip code in. Okay, I went to that website this morning, and there's like 3 stores that are in my area. All 3 stores said they were 50% off. So I'm like, okay, let's see when they'll hit 70% off. Well, this was this morning. Now it's 5 o'clock at night, and I went back to Brickseek because you never know. And I think I checked at 10 this morning, because that was when I was on my computer list. But I checked right now, and my stores are now showing 70% off. So I think they just have to push a button or something to make all those prices. So if you guys are shopping now, you guys can always check, before you don't have to call the store and ask. You can just search an item that you know that Target sells that's a Christmas item, and you guys can check. So like I said, this is the item that I looked for. I just typed in my zip code, and then I went down here and it said that my stores in my area, 2 stores have it for 70% off. Another store is still marked at 50% off. These are stores that are nowhere near me. And then the store that's like closest to me is 70. Another store that's close to me is 70% off. And that is it. So majority of stores are 70% off. Just one store still is at 50. So this is how you guys can check to see if your stores are marked down, because they could do it anytime during the day. So what I'm going to do is not go shopping at all. I will wait till 90% off, but I am going to cut back on purchases, you guys. Like, I'm going to go shopping. I'm going to try to find some stuff that I could use, especially crafts. I want to do more craft videos so I can find some more stuff for that. But I will take you guys with me when I know the store has hit 90% off. It might hit 90% off on January 1st, so Wednesday. I'm crossing my fingers. If it doesn't, I'll let you guys know. But some stores are different. So try not to lag this video for you guys, but definitely check out Brickseek. If you guys want, you can actually go to Brickseek. You just go to Inventory Checker. You pick out Target. If you guys want to type in this number, even though your stores might not have it, it'll give you all the stores in your area. You just type in 051 12 1200. You put your zip code in, and you just check inventory, and you guys will tell if your store is at 70 or 50 or even 90% off. So just want to give you guys a heads up. You can also check this way with Walmart too. There's also a way you can check with CVS. I check mostly because of Target. Walmart, I know it's going to take a little bit longer before they hit 70 to 90% off. But just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.